whenever you say I am, you're using your creative power. So for example, whenever you say I am happy, you are aware of happiness, that you are in the state of being happy. So your concept, your self-concept is happiness. You're happy within the state that you're in right now. So take away the happiness, and you'll have just I am, or that awareness of being. And that awareness of being will never cease to exist. So the Bible says pray without ceasing. So to me, this means that we're always manifesting, always. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. So you will not be created or destroyed. So your creative power will always be I am. So be careful and choose wisely whenever you say I am, whatever you add after I am, and whatever you feel.